But I like the prices in the market. It's good.
Yeah, I mean, I prefer coming to the markets because the prices are always better,
But on the supermarkets, man.
way better.
Cost of living on the rise, food prices surging, so we're back with an all-new season of Market Bag to bring you the price of produce in the market. This week, we're joined by seasoned shopper Angela. Angela, hi.
Hi.
You ready to go and look about these prices?
I am.
All right, let's go. Shopping in the market.
So I try to go at least every 2 weeks, but it depends on what you're buying because you know that some produce it lasts longer than some. So like onion, usually when I'm buying onion, I buy like a pound of onion so that it will last more than the 2 weeks. But some things you definitely will need to come like every week for.
Alright, so we're hearing from the vendors that onion is going for $400 a pound, ginger is for $500 a pound. How is that going to affect your weekly shopping?
It definitely will affect it. So what I probably try to do then is to substitute my onion because you know that scallion is onion. So if the prices are too expensive, then I switch to something else. And for ginger, I would probably switch to buying liquid ginger.
All right, what are some of the produce that you might prefer getting in the supermarket?
I don't prefer getting anything in the supermarket. But there are certain produce that you have to use. When you're cooking, you have to use onion, you have to use seasoning, scallion, thyme, sweet pepper. And based on my lifestyle now, I have to, because I go to the gym and I have to cook. So I try to make sure that I have certain items. And honestly, if the prices are high, I still will try to buy them.
What are the market prices like compared to what you spend at the supermarket?
It is significantly cheaper at the market. And what I like about the market is that you have a wider selection, a wider, fresher selection. I think at the supermarket, you're actually just charging based on the packaging. You're paying for the packaging. So that's why I like coming to the market because the prices are way cheaper. And you get fresh produce.
So Angela, tell me, how do you feel about what you got for your money today?
I think I got my money's worth. And I got a whole bunch of things across the board. I got melon, cabbage, sweet pepper, sweet potato. So the deals were good today.
Yeah, and we're hearing also from a lot of shoppers that the prices are going up. So guys, come out and do your shopping. Until next time, bye.